Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by today. Making a trip out to Home Depot. If you watched my video from the other day, I was out to our local bulk store, which is by Home Depot. I never got into Home Depot, it was just too busy. So today I'm going to run out there. It's 8:30. It is Saturday, and hopefully it won't be too bad. Apologize for the sun. We're actually going to be driving into the sun, so this might not be a good video. First weekend of April. Still fighting that wonderful virus. Yeah, thank you. Still fighting that virus here, which is going to be a while. But family's all healthy. I personally don't know anybody that does have it, which is good. So none of my friends, acquaintances, colleagues, I don't know anybody that has the virus. So where we live, there's a handful of cases. When I say handful, I don't know, maybe 200 or so. I don't pay attention anymore. And I think there's maybe been 10 deaths. I'm just saying this so I can remember it when I look back on the video. Some good news though, I do have some new camera equipment. I found a good deal on a GoPro 7. So I thought I'd take the plunge and join the GoPro crew. See how we can do some videos with that. Pretty excited. Thanks to Fish. Shout out to Fish from the Fishy Comics channel. He's my bud. He's my online buddy anymore. Yep. Thanks for all his advice, videos on everything that he does. Lots of fun. I know I'm going to have lots of questions on this GoPro he'll be able to help me out with. Luckily he's done a lot of footage with all of his trials and tribulations with the GoPro over the years. I can pretty much look back on his videos and find out what I'm looking for. So it'll be fun. Something new. Today's supposed to be a nice day. It's chilly now. Right here on the truck we're looking at 42 degrees, which seems to be about the norm in the evenings now during the night. Day we're looking at, yesterday we were in the 40s, a little chilly yesterday. So our high yesterday was pretty much the low today. I think we're supposed to get up to 65. It's one of the reasons I'm going out here to Home Depot. I've got to get 3 items. I got to get some fertilizer for the garden. I've got to get some bird seed because I ran out of bird seed the other day when I did that video. And there was one other item I need, and I don't remember what that was offhand. Bird seed. They're all in the same area. They're all in the Larden Garden. Let's see. I'm gonna remember. It's on my phone. Fertilizer, bird seed, and there's one other thing. Oh well, I'll think of it. Should have grabbed a cup of coffee back there at McDonald's. Might do that on the way back. Yeah, I apologize. This video is probably not going to be good because we're driving right into the sun. We are heading dead east. Oh well. Yeah, I need to just get a little bit of fertilizer. I don't need like a 50-pound bag, but I don't know what they come in, 10 pounds, whatever I can get at Home Depot. I was thinking about going out to Farm and Fleet. If I go to Farm and Fleet, then I'm gonna have to buy like 50-pound bag or whatever they sell, and I'd like to get high potency stuff like 12, 12, 12. Or even higher. I don't think I can get that at Home Depot. I'd rather get high potent and just spread it thin than get the low power stuff and put it on thick. So we'll see what Home Depot has. Straight up here on the left. That guy in that blue 4Runner was riding me. I was in no mood to speed today back there on the road. Alright, so now it's always tricky. Oh man, this is not too bad today. That's right, I did come over here today. I'm losing track of where I've been with doing my vlogs. Now it's always tricky just finding a place to park with this thing. Because I brought the truck, which is an F350 long bed, so it is a big beast. I'll just park over here. Nobody's parking over here. Got room on both sides. Truck looks like my dad's over there. Well, he did all his running yesterday, so I know he's not here. I run into him more times than not on just out shopping. It's funny. Anyway, we are here, so we'll go and see what we can get. All right, I don't even think that was a 10-15 minute trip. It took me longer to scan my items than it did to find what I was looking for. So I got what I needed. I got bird feed. And I got the... Oh, I remember what I forgot. And that was some potting soil. I had to get some new potting soil. So bird feed, potting soil. I got... Oh, I found a cool little bird feeder. So I've got a new bird feeder for out front. And bird seed. That was the other thing I needed. Oh, and the fertilizer. They didn't have exactly what I was looking for. I was hoping for something high, like I said, like 12, 12, 12 or above. They had 10, 10, 10. So it is what it is. 10, 10, 10 will work. I just have to use a little more for the garden, at least. For my flower beds, that'll be fine. My mom has a bunch of bulbs she wants to come over and plant. She asked me the other day if I had the fertilizer yet, and I told her I didn't have a chance to get out yet, so I know she wants to come over and plant those bulbs. Let's go for a different drive. We won't go down this street. Let's turn left here. We'll take a little scenic route. You know what we could do? It's 9 o'clock. We could get the truck washed. I think they open at 8. Hey, we'll go to the car wash. I haven't done a car wash video in a while. So we'll go this way, get a car wash. And I'll probably stop in a McDonald's, get a coffee. See what happens. All right. So they've got Home Depot. The entrances, they have lanes to limit the number of people going in at a time. It's crazy. This world's getting crazy. I don't know how that all works because I avoid crowds. I've never been a crowd person. If I saw that going into Home Depot, I would have went the other way. And even with the virus, I mean, I definitely don't want to be around crowds now. I don't know how they're monitoring that. I mean, who's standing outside telling everybody you've got to stand 6 to 10 feet apart? I don't know. Well, like I told my wife, I don't know. We always go back and forth on how the world's gonna try to make policy and make all these little places are making rules, and in the end, it's not gonna stop it. It can only slow it down a little. We're all gonna be exposed to it. It's a matter of how our bodies react. So you can put up all the lines you want, doesn't matter. They've got the carts cleaned. In the end, doesn't matter. You're going through the aisles, picking up items. People will pick them up, done exactly what I just did. I was looking at bird feeders. You get to the checkout. Of course, nothing sanitary there. So, drives my wife nuts because she freaks out about that kind of stuff. I calmed her down last night, told her it's inevitable. I mean, it's just... There's no way, unless you put on a hazmat suit as soon as you leave your house, take off that hazmat suit before you walk in the house, you're good. You're good. Yep, you're good. It's just crazy. Absolutely crazy. Yeah, and then all you could do is do basic hygiene. You know, as soon as I got in the truck, before I turn the camera on, I've got a pile of, I've got a thing of hand sanitizer that I keep in the vehicles. I mean, all of our vehicles have hand sanitizer. We've always had it in here, so you can't buy them now. You know, those little car hand sanitizers. Can't find them. But we've got them in here, and we'll just refill them. Because we do have a couple of bottles that we bought. Luckily, we stockpile some of this stuff because we go camping. So that's all I can do as soon as I get in the truck, hand sanitize. And avoid touching my face while I'm there. Sometimes I use my coat sleeve, like if I'm out in public and I have to go inside or something. Like if you have to use a public bathroom or something, I just use my sleeve on my coat. But in summertime, that's no good because you're not wearing your coat. I actually just washed my coat yesterday because I knew it was due. But you can only do the best you can do. It's just ugly. My poor sister, she's a high school teacher, and she has some students, well, the majority of her students are all seniors in high school. Around here, school's canceled, so they've lost out on all of their things like high school prom. Look at that car in front of me. He's doing social distancing via car. I'm not sure why he was parked 20 feet behind this truck. That was kind of funny. Yeah, you're okay in your car. I don't think they've imposed social distancing in cars yet. What was I talking about? Oh, my sister. Yeah, she teaches, and those poor seniors are out of all their senior gatherings like prom, and oh geez, even graduation's canceled. I mean, it's bad. This area we're driving through here is where I'm from. I have never moved from here. My parents live just down the one street we just passed. My wife and I have bought like 3 houses since we've been together. We've been together like 25 years, but we have never moved out of the area. So I've got a brother that lives 15 minutes away up in another town, small town from here, just up the street. My sister lives about 8 minutes from me this way. My parents are in the middle, so it works out pretty good. It's nice to have the family close. Right here's our car wash. I think they're open. Yep, they're open, and there's only one car in front of us, so we'll go through and do a car wash. We'll see what that's all about. So they've kind of changed their policies here. They don't do any of the interior stuff anymore. They used to do interior details. They don't do that anymore. They used to open up your car doors and get the door jams. They don't do that anymore. So you only get what you get, if that makes sense. So I've got the truck. I know I've done it on a video before, but I got to do a 3-point maneuver to get in here. And there's nobody behind me at the moment, which makes it real easy. Sometimes people will see that I need to do that. Sometimes people don't. Sometimes people will pull right up on my tail while they follow through, and then we have to tell them to back up, pay attention, and see that I need to maneuver. But yeah, you can see I got to do a 3-point maneuver. Back up, and then I can get in here, which is no big deal. Actually, I was just in here yesterday, I think. Thought I brought the van over the other day, but I think I brought this over. It is definitely not due. But we're just doing this for video purposes only. And it's free. Well, we pay a monthly pass, so no big deal. They used to be really good about spraying the entire outside of your vehicles, and they don't do it anymore. They used to be really good at getting up in your wheel wells, which on the truck is a must. They don't do that anymore. Luckily, I'm through here enough that my wheel wells are clean at the moment, but sometimes I have to ask them to do it. They used to wash wheel wells every time. I may have to ask them if they can do that again. Take the pull it far at all. Not gonna have a lot of room. But we'll see where he wants me. Wants me off to the right. Okay. Ooh, that was close. There we go. Now I can work on it. No rush. The one business partner of this facility, this car wash now I know, they had just purchased this actually from the company's prior owner. I know him through Boy Scouts. I'm a Cub Scout leader, and the mother is also a leader with us. Known her for several years. They do a good job. Oh, see, he's actually getting a stool. They're supposed to get a stool. A lot of people don't. That's cool. Man, it's a cold day for him too. Cool. All right, thank you. All right, we are done with that. Well, if you're still sticking around, thanks for watching. I'm gonna cut off here. I'm just gonna go into McDonald's and get a coffee. It's right over here on the left, same parking lot. I've wasted enough time here. We'll see how the video comes out with the GoPro. All right, I'm gonna shut off here. Thanks for watching. Everybody have a great day.